Hi everyone, this is Khushi and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing Korean makeup look, which will be very interesting and very fun because I just love everything about Korean. I'm very excited to do this, so let's just go. Starting off, I've already moisturized my skin. Heading to primer, I'm using this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Heading to concealer, I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer in the shade Warm Sand. Also some of it on my eyelids. Setting everything with a Lakme loose powder. So for my eye part, I am doing basically like I will draw a line like eyeliner line from this brown eyeshadow. Like Koreans pretty much don't do anything with their eyes, like don't do much. Like they just keep it very simple. So I'm gonna do like that. So I'll just draw a line here. I will blend it with my blending brush, highlighting my eyebrow regions. I'm not doing anything with my brows because Koreans usually have very thin and like not so much, like their brows are not thick and full. It's just that my brows are very bushy. Heading on, I'm using the foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. So my foundation is all set, and now I will use my lipstick to blush my cheeks. So now I'm using this highlighter to highlight my cheeks. So last but not the least, the lipstick part, which is my favorite and also very tricky because the way you apply Korean lipstick is different from what you apply on daily basis. So let's just do this. So I'm taking my pink lipstick, usual pink lipstick, and like I will not drag the lipstick like this and this like in the outer parts, but I will start from the inner parts, which is my this and this part. So I will just do that. Just like that. Using my fingertips to spread it all over. So I'm using my concealer. Yes, concealer. You have to like, you know, on the outer part of the lip. Take a clean finger now. I've cleaned my finger, this one. So now you have to like, you know, merge it, but you don't have to move your finger round ways, but you have to just tap and make sure the concealer is not much dragged inside. It is just where it is. Okay, so it's like tap. So in your hand there should be a line of lipstick color and concealer color, like that way. So as you can can see the lipstick part is done and the inner side is dark and the outer sides it's just blending, like it's going like dark to light. So it's just like this. They don't define their lips, so yeah. So this was all in this video. Hope you all enjoyed my Korean makeup look, and also it was a bit difficult to look exactly like Korean, so I guess I did an okay job. And also talking about the lipstick part, I've not nailed the lipstick part. I have to work on the lipstick part more, and I know, because I don't know, my lips are looking very thin, see, I don't know. Just tell me in the comment section below, like, did this makeup good or bad? And also I will come up with new videos very soon. Till then, bye bye.